Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to move column on Microsoft Excel. So at first open up your Microsoft Excel. Now from here open any document. Now if you want to move column B, at first you have to select it. Then press your shift key. Then put the cursor here. Then just click here and then you can move your column. Then just press it here. Then release your shift key and it's done. If I do it once again, just press shift key, then put the cursor here, then click here and then you can change your column position and you can move anywhere as you want, and it's done. You can see you have successfully moved columns on Microsoft Excel. If you want to move column A, just select it and then press shift key, then put the cursor here and then you can change your column position and you can see it's changed successfully. And that is how you can move columns on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.